today what is VPN. So VPN stands for Virtual Private Network. It is an internet security service that allows users to access the internet as though they were connected to the private networks. As we know, internet is a public medium, but if you have VPN set up on your laptop or desktop, it will act as a private network for you, and everything that you will send from your machine, your laptop or desktop will be encrypted and will pass through a VPN tunnel. Now, anyone anonymous user or hacker will not be able to access, even though he or she will be able to access, it will be very hard, and since the data will be encrypted, it will be hard to decode. VPN encrypts internet communication as well as providing a strong degree of anonymity. Some of the most common reasons people use VPNs are to protect against snooping or on public Wi-Fi, to circumvent internet service censorship, or to connect to a business internet network for the purpose of remote work. Now let's see how does VPN works. So a VPN connection involves four steps. The VPN clients connect to the ISP using encrypted connection. The ISP connects to the VPN client to the VPN server, maintaining the encrypted connection. The VPN server decrypts the data from user device and then connects to the internet to access the web server in an encrypted communication. The VPN server creates an encrypted connection with the client known as the VPN tunnel. Now, what is the benefit of having VPN? So first is privacy. Your internet service provider can see your internet traffic and probably logs your browsing history. But VPN is the solution for it. A VPN scrambles your traffic in an encrypted tunnels, so not even your ISP can read it. No monitoring, no activity logs. Second benefit is it defeats the censorship. So the problem is the website or the service that you want to use may be inaccessible from your location. Like in many countries, many sites are blocked. So using VPN, you can access those sites. VPN enable access for the free internet from anywhere. Third benefit is save money. VPN lets you browse from many different locations to keep you safe from price discrimination. As we know, some online stores show different prices if you are browsing from different places. The fourth benefit is it encrypts everything. A VPN encrypts your entire internet connection to protect all your communication even over unsecured network. And the fifth benefit is it extends your coverage. It gives your app for all your device plus support for every major operating system. In this diagram, you can see between you and the internet, a secure VPN tunnel will not allow any hacker to steal your data. VPN tunnel encrypts your data and it is highly secure so that anyone cannot access it. It sits between you and the internet, and that does not allow any hacker or ISP or government or corporate to access your data. These days, it helps you to work from home because through VPN it is secure to share the data. VPN, now in this diagram we can see if you don't have VPN, so your device, whatever will be sent through internet service provider, it will be accessible to everyone. But if you have VPN installed on your machine and if you are using some VPN servers, then between whenever you send data, so everything will be secure, and VPN client sits between internet and you, and data exchange will happen in an encrypted manner. Different VPN services use different kinds of encryption process, but but put simply, the VPN encrypts processing goes something like this. When you connect to a VPN, it is through a secure tunnel where your data is encoded. This means that your data is transformed into an unreadable code as it travels between your computer and the server of the VPN. Your device is now seen as being on the same local network as your VPN, so your IP address will actually be the IP address of your VPN provider server. You may browse the internet as you please, safe in the knowledge that VPN acts as a barrier protecting your personal information. Now, what are the different types of VPN? We have a standalone VPN service. This is the VPN most commonly used by the homes and small business, and it is the type offered by the Namecheap. It uses an application that creates an encrypted connection to the private network that you can then utilize to connect to the internet at large. Some VPN comes in the form of browser extension as well. Some VPN works as a browser add-on. There are many add-ons that you can install to browsers like Google Chrome or Firefox or Opera. Then we have router VPN and corporate VPN. Corporate VPN used by the office employees. Organizations often use a remote access VPN for employees who work remotely. In this pandemic of coronavirus, most of the organizations started using VPN. Through this VPN, employees can securely access the company's private internet, which is often using a password and an app. This is a custom created solution that requires personalized development and heavy IT resources. So thanks viewer for watching today's video, and we learned today what is VPN and how does it work. Thank you for watching.